Hello guys, welcome to today's class. In our last class, we talked about how to solve a linear ordinary differential equation using a step-by-step I listed on our last class. I listed some steps to take on how to solve a linear ordinary differential equation. So let's attempt this question following the steps from our last class. The question says, find the general solution dy dx over dx equals to x squared minus y over x. Now, from the last class, the first step says that make the equation to be of this form: dy dx plus p of x y equals to q of x. So now we have to resolve this equation to be of this form. So now, to resolve this to be of this form, if we divide both sides, or if you multiply both sides by x, rather, we have dy over dx times x equals to x squared minus y. X squared minus y. Now, the next thing to do, this equation still yet is not of this form. So the next thing to do, if we add both sides or take minus y to this other side of the equation, we have dy over dx x plus y equals to what? X squared. So now the equation is of this form. And the next step says that, this is step 1. The next step says that identify what p of x is and what q of x is. So now p of x is equal to okay, this is equal to, if we divide both sides by x, we have dy over dx plus y over x equals to x squared over what? X. So now p of x is y over x. This is p of x, y over x. And q of x is equal to x, because x, if x cancel x squared, you have x. So q of x is equal to x. So now the next thing to do is to introduce the integrating factor, which is I of x equal to exponential integral of p of x. So introduce the integrating factor. This is step 3. Introducing the integrating factor. Now, and also recall that this y raised and y over x can also be written as 1 over xy. 1 over xy. So this p of x is 1 over x. P of x is 1 over x. So now we are taking the exponential integral of 1 over x. And 1 over x is the same thing as what? The integral of 1 over x is what? Ln x. And ln x, this exponential can cancel ln. So our answer is what? X. So I of x is equal to what? X. I of x equals to x. So now step 4. The next thing to do, step 4, is what? Introduce what? The general solution. The general solution is y of x equal to 1 over I of x times integral of I of x q of x dx plus c. So now all we need to do is just to substitute the value of I of x. We substitute the value of I of x, which is x, into the this equation, then you substitute the value of q of x, then integrate it to get your general what answer. So let's substitute y of x is equal to 1 over, remember that I of x is what? X. 1 over x times the integral of I of x, which is what? X. Integral of x. And q of x is what? Still what? X. We have the x plus what? C. So now, this thing can also be written as 1 over x, integral of x times x, which is what? X squared dx plus c. Now, the integral of x squared is 1 over x. Integral of x squared is x 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 dx plus c. So to solve this ordinary differential equation, you need the knowledge of what? Integration. So now let's quickly, this is x cubed over 3 dx plus c. Now our y of x is equal to, we can use 1 over x to multiply. Okay, there's no need for the x since we've done away with the integral sign. So what we have is 1 over x cubed over 3 plus c. Now this 1 over x can multiply everything in the bracket. So we have y of x to be 1 over x times x raised to the power 3 over 3 plus 1 over x times c, visible over 1 here, don't forget. So now our y of x equal to x cubed over what? 3x plus c over x. So you can leave your answer like this. This is the answer. And you can still further express it as x can cancel what? X. So you have x squared over 3 plus c over what? X. So y of x is equal to x squared over 3 plus cx raised to the power minus 1 using law of indices. This is negative index law. So this is our answer. Please like, share, and subscribe. In our next class, we still solve further questions on linear ordinary differential equation.